guys, welcome back to my channel, Chelsea So Random, and today we have a crowd favorite, my homemade, slightly spicy spaghetti. So we have Wagyu ground beef with some Parmesan on top, some marinara sauce underneath, and some thin spaghetti noodles at the bottom. Let's get to praying, let's get to eating, y'all. Amen. So, y'all know if I don't got a spaghetti on the channel, what you doing? Y'all, it's still piping hot. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. You almost forgot. That's good. Today we got my napkin cloth because y'all, we out of paper towels, so y'all, hold on. Okay. Now I made the spaghetti on Thursday of this week, or early this week on Thursday, and I didn't have any until today, which is a Sunday. When a sauce marinates, if y'all can see my husband, y'all would be like, you would insert roll your eyes emoji, okay? He's so extra. Okay, so the sauce has been marinating for about 3 to 4 days, y'all. It's so good. A little bit of kick at the end, y'all. A little heat. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. With chunks of tomato in it. Y'all, I love me a lot of sauce with my my noodles. So you might see some globs of sauce at the end of this. Y'all, so good. Get a little beef in there. Y'all want some? Look at that. Look at it. Oh no. So I've noticed, y'all, and excuse the sound of a mower in the back if I can hear it. One of my neighbors are getting their lawn mowed in our area. Was it Hurricane Deborah? One of them two came through here, and the grass is growing. So we have to get it cut, and our neighbors do as well. So look at that. That chunk of tomato, y'all. Okay, so I've noticed that Sundays, I've shifted to Sundays to post. That's what's been working out for me currently. So, y'all, my posting will shift again weekly, but right now Sundays seem to be doing the thing. I'm gonna choke. Today, y'all, we have water. Oh yes. So how was y'all weekend? And this is nothing but sauce, y'all. That's how good it is. I don't even need the noodle. Just give me sauce and meat. Look at that, y'all. Oh, this is just meat and sauce. Look at that. That's so good. I can't even talk, y'all. So good. I did my thing, y'all. Anyway, how's y'all weekend? Hopefully it was good. Hopefully some of y'all watch Deadpool because the movie is so good. Look at that sauce. Oh, you can't even see the sauce. Look at that sauce, y'all. Yes. So good. I'm trying to twirl it, y'all. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Come back to me. Y'all. I'm sorry I'm not talking y'all, but this food. Have a bite, y'all. When I say I don't miss with making my spaghetti, I don't miss, y'all. I don't miss. Why you so good? It's my first meal of the day, y'all. And I'm glad it's this heavy because having this around like 4 or 5, not a good idea. And y'all know I didn't put no garlic bread with this, y'all. Because I was like, the pasta alone is enough carbs, y'all. Y'all gonna hear my laundry room, my wash and dry going. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I apologize. But you know, look, life happens in the middle of mukbang, I'll tell you that. Babe. Babe. Honey. I'm gonna close the door, y'all. Can you close the laundry door? Because that water washing machine is loud. See? He tries to help y'all. Hopefully that's better, y'all. Thank you. Y'all hear me? I don't miss. I don't miss. Oh, look at that. Another bite. Uh-oh. They're losing it. Ooh, ooh. Okay. C-dramas. I have tapped back into my Vicky Rakuten subscription. I'm now obsessed with the show called Snowfall. It's good. It's the aesthetics of it. The fashion. Y'all. Okay, hold on. Hold on. This pasta's trying to run away from me now. I feel like I just sat down. Well, my food almost gone. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Y'all. So far, Snowfall is rated 9.6 in terms of reviews. And that's high, y'all. That's very high. That's very high. That's very good, y'all. I'm just drinking this sauce, y'all. I just drink it. That's how good it is. That's what we down to, y'all. That's it. I don't think I've been breathing, y'all, while eating this. If your sauce ain't like a dark red like this, what you doing? And I can't give you my secret ingredient to the pasta sauce, y'all. Cause y'all, I have 3 versions, and it depends on my mood when I'm making it. That's really funny, right? Okay, so Snowfall, very good, highly rated so far, and it's still on air right now. So that means that new episodes still drop weekly of some sort. Right now I'm on episode 18. I'm trying to slow down because it's like the amount of episodes available are like 20 maybe. I gotta slow down. Excuse me, y'all. Why are you so good? I had a good weekend as well. If y'all had a good weekend, I did too. Chill with the best friend yesterday. Very fun. Okay, y'all, let me just go ahead and say this. The kind of ground beef or meat you use in your spaghetti is very important. I use the Wagyu ground beef from Costco. Oh, excuse me. From Costco. It makes a difference. Y'all, it really do. Oh, let me show you that. Look at that meat. Look at that. Yum. We have like 4 pieces of noodle, y'all. The rest is sauce and meat. And that's how good it is. And I'm for real. Let me try to twirl this little bit of noodle. No, it ain't gonna work. We gotta scoop it. You okay? Girl. My baby start coughing. Mommy mode activated, y'all. Look at that meat and sauce. Now, got some garlic bread. Go ahead and sop it up. We don't have any here. Am I breathing? Oh. Y'all, we at the end, y'all. But I'm gonna get this meat. Y'all. Y'all. Ooh, let it digest. Y'all, we done. Can't believe that. We done. That's the end. Oh, that was really good. I'm willing it to refill itself as we speak. But it was so good. It got better at the end too. Even better and better as I got to the last mouthful. Excuse me. Okay, guys. Thank you for tuning in to my channel and watching this mukbang. The food was amazing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and enemies. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.